Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can claim these new Dress to Impress codes. So happy April Fools. I know I'm like a day late, sorry about that. But there are two new codes. I think the first one isn't new, but the second one is. So if you go to the code section, just enter face card and you'll get this like funny face. There's also Baddie for Life, which I forgot what it is. Okay, so I've claimed it already, so I don't remember what the code is. Oh, I think it's the like chicken feet, I think. But you'll see it here. It's the troll head, and this is what it looks like. You can change the face as well here, which is funny. You can also adjust it and stuff like that. But yeah, that is it. Happy April Fool's Day. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.